Hi guys, Ralph here and welcome back to my channel, SayItRalph. How are you? It's been a while. So I think my last video about this tour is, I don't know, a few months ago or maybe last year. And or maybe I'll just post it somewhere here. So if you guys haven't watched this, feel free to watch and enjoy whatever information that you actually get from there. So in this video, I'm going to share to you some features or some amenities that we can see from Barracks Hotel. So this is Barracks Hotel. Take note, I actually got this for free. So maybe I'm going to tell you much about how I got it for free. Of course, that's the best thing in life, right? Free stuff. I know you like free stuff too, so better watch out until the end so that you know how I got this for free. So I'm actually here in Singapore. Barracks Hotel, I think, is one of the most, say, expensive but good quality hotels here in Singapore. So if you guys are watching this outside Singapore, maybe next time when the borders are open, maybe you can visit this hotel as well. I'm actually very excited because this is my first staycation for this year. So when the year started, actually I'm very busy in work. So if my colleagues are watching this, yes, I'm busy. I'm doing something for our company. I'm pretty much excited to share it to you guys. What are the things that I can show to you at Barracks Hotel? So the travel time from Punggol, which is my place, going to the closest MRT station is Harbourfront. That is about 45 to 1 hour. So I'm not going to take any video during the trip. So the next video they're going to see is me at Harbourfront. Okay, so time check, we have almost 11:45. So maybe I'm going to shoot again by around 1 o'clock or 1 o'clock plus. The check-in time is around 3 plus. So I'm pretty much excited. It feels like going for a vacation. Since the border is still not open, so why not take staycations, right? Alright, so see you later. Hi guys! So we just reached MRT. Time check, it's actually almost, no, not almost, it's 2:10. 2:10 and we are about to go inside Vivo City. Alright, so first things first, say hi.
Hello.
Grocery time, so we just thought of buying some drinks and some snacks because I think drinks will be so expensive there, so why not just buy something from the grocery and then just bring it over there. I think it'll be cheaper and cheaper, that's the only thing. We have a hotel reservation at Barracks, so our monorail here is actually free. So let's go inside. Alright, so it's actually near to India Station, so we are walking. We're just going to walk towards Barracks Hotel, so it's about 5 minutes walk going there. 5 minutes. Oh, the baby boy. So yeah, let's see. Let's walk. Turn left, turn left. And it's so hot. I'm already sweating. And this lady, are you excited?
Very excited.
Why?
Our first experience.
Of a free hotel. of a free hotel. Oh my goodness. So yeah, it's a 5 minutes walk. Oh, actually, there's a shuttle bus. See? I don't know. Can we? Can we? No! Okay, never mind. Let's just walk then. So after how many calories burned, finally we arrived here at the Barracks Hotel. So check that out. Hi guys, so finally we are here at Barracks, so come and join us. So our room is 212 Barracks Hotel. Ta-da! There should be some sound effects here. Okay, join us. Alright, so of course, as usual, we're going to start some features of the room. But first observation is, wow, what a high ceiling. That's so good. So I think one of the theme of the room itself is a bit, antique, so a bit old. So you can see this like sound system. So it looks old, right? Yes, that's it. And my hands are also old. So yeah, and even this study table, it looks very nice. It actually fits the entire theme. So you can see the phone here, it's also old. It's like maybe 1980s. It's her phone actually. Tonight, we actually have some complimentary vouchers, dining credit, $30. We actually have a cocktail drinks later. So I'm not sure if it's part of the $30 or separate, but nevertheless, I think we are still happy with whatever we have. Anyway, so here's the room. The bed is quite big. Yeah. We have some frames over here, which is, it says life is to be used, not just held in the hand, like a box of bonbons that nobody eats. Do you eat bonbons? What's bonbons? Oh, nice lamp. Nice lamp over here. Over here we have some, how to say this? Complimentary drinks. So we have water, of course, some Atas water over here. And of course, Mother Nature, don't use plastics. So it's a glass, which is good. Oh, so cute, comfy. Nice.
Is
Oh,
it?
it's tea bag.
Oh, tea bags. Oh, this is green tea. Sancha is green tea.
Yeah, so what's this? I'm so sorry. Ah, okay, so for later, one night. So story time. As I mentioned, our Barracks Hotel is actually free. So what happened was last year I actually participated in one of the contests in our company. So since our company moved from Raffles to Dobigot, so they decided to create a contest. I submitted some photos during that year. So maybe I'm going to show you here somewhere. Because I submitted something, I actually won. Okay, not because it was very nice. It's just because only few people participated. So I think the prize,
So humble.
the prize, were I think three vouchers or 3 hotel stay. Yes, you got it right. Only 3 submitted. So the 3 of us actually got the hotel. I think lesson learned is if there are any competitions in your company, just join, guys. Because definitely you will win. Because most people will definitely miss the chance. So if you have that opportunity, grab it, send whatever it is, then you can enjoy free stuff. Okay, See ya.
If you want.
Good morning, everyone. Our room and the place to be. So day 2, of course breakfast first. So let's go. I'm so hungry. So we actually reserved our breakfast at around 8 o'clock, 8:30. I think it's a bit early because no one is around except us. But yeah, we're hungry. Hi guys, so that's the end of our staycation here at Barracks Hotel. So how was it?
Super good, very atas feeling.
Yes.
It feels good to be rich actually.
True, because of the freebies, amenities, services, and very like secluded area, and only few people are actually inside. So we really like the experience.
Yeah, makes us feel special.
Yeah. Okay, and look at the place here. So nice, right? Today is actually Friday, so we still have so much time to do after this. But for this video, I think that's the end of it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you again next week.
SayItRalph!
SayItRalph. Bye.